Top sign topper will come fully assembled and with the light feature disabled. So the first thing that you'll need to do is enable your light feature. To do so, you'll need to remove the 4 pins from the top of the sign, and these don't even require any tools. You just kind of have to fit your fingernail there right behind the head of the pin and pop them out, and then you'll pop the topper off of your sign top. Once the lid is removed, you'll unscrew this tube from the base of the light fixture. This will expose the on-off button at the base of the light. You'll notice that the on-off button has a plastic tape covering it, and that's just fine. You don't need to remove that. You can leave it there. You'll simply press the button one time to enable it. So you'll notice that this light didn't turn on, and that could be for one of 2 reasons. Either the solar panel isn't charged, or the light around you is just so bright that it hasn't activated the dusk to dawn sensor that turns the light on. Now, to test your SpinTop sign's light feature, or to just verify that you've enabled the light, you'll want to do 2 things. The first of which is put your SpinTop sign topper in a nice sunny spot, and make sure that that solar panel is exposed to the sun for maybe around an hour or so. Once you've charged your SpinTop sign for a bit, you need to take it into a room that can get pretty dark, such as a garage, closet, bathroom, etc., and you'll want to test it by turning out the lights. If your solar panel is charged, ta-da, the light will turn on within a few seconds. If the light doesn't turn on, what that means is that either the solar panel hasn't charged yet, or the light switch is actually disabled, and you'll want to press that button on the interior of the sign topper again to enable your light fixture.